Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. This is another one of those scanners I found last week in a pile in my workshop up on a shelf. And I don't know the condition of these scanners. The first one I did, it did have a problem. And I'm beginning to think maybe all these things have a problem. But we'll see. We'll see. This is the Fox scanner, the BMP 10/60, and it came with a lot of stuff. This box is like brand new, and here is all the stuff that it came with. So let's get the box out of the way. There's the scanner. Let me get my flashlight out of the way. So came with a warranty card, warranty information. There's the probably the previous owner's name, Jim. He lived in Illinois. Okay. Here is the receipt for the scanner. The scanner was $159.95, and then something else was $9.25. With tax, the total of those two items was $181.84. $180 for the scanner. Okay, there's the manual, pristine condition. And there's another receipt for this book, which is scanner radio listings for the Chicago area, 1984 into the 1985. Get that out of the way, that's useless to me. Probably, well, 1984, probably useless, period. So we got the thing plugged in, comes with an AC adapter, and on the back here, maybe we can zoom in. Hold on, let's see if we can zoom in a little bit here. Be a little better picture. Maybe zoom. That's pretty good, I think. Okay. Close that down. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. There's the Motorola. I think that's a Motorola. Well, anyway, this is the external jack. This is a telescopic antenna. It's about 24 inches. The DC adapter, which it comes with, and a plug for an external speaker, and a little compartment here for backup batteries. Okay. On the front, we have a very tiny display. It's red LEDs. Controls, action, control, skip, pause, enter, numeric keypad, auto, step, and then it has pre-programmed. That's where the 60 comes in. It got pre-60, back up here. It's got 6 pre-programmed blocks for marine / weather, mobile phone 1, mobile phone 2, fire, police 1, police 2, and fire. So those are all pre-programmed. Then it has 10, you got 10 LEDs, 10 frequencies that you can program yourself. Now, I already did a video on this, and the darn thing, my camera was zoomed in too much, and all you could see is this much of the radio up here. Pretty dumb on me. Anyway, so I'm doing it over. So I've already tried the controls, and the most important control is the control button. And these are membrane buttons, which tend to fail over time. It does not work. So basically, you really can't control the radio. It's in the scan mode for the frequencies that have been programmed in, and they are the NOAA weather frequencies. So that's what you heard. You're supposed to be able to hit or push and hold control, and then you can select one of these pre-programmed, which are probably useless anyway. Let me turn it back on. Okay, now the LED display stopped working. Let me turn it off, back on. Oh, that's gone. It worked in the previous video. Very tiny display. It's not coming on. See if we can do some fixing here. Nope. I can see it worked before. Nope. Now it's like locked up. Okay, we'll try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On. Okay, it's scanning those 10 programmable channels, but the display that was working ain't working now. Sorry. Squelch, volume on off. That's about it. Let's see the frequency range. Frequency range. What can we listen to? Ah, here we go. We can listen to 30 to 50, 144 to 148, 148 to 174, 420 to 470, 470 to 512. But it's got problems. Oh, that beeped. That beeped. Oh, I got the display back on. I know it's hard to see. Can you see it down in there? No, you can't. It's on. Just trust me, it's back on. By hitting step, I got it to come on, and it's stepping through the 10 program. Now let's see if control works now. Push and hold. Push and hold. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Nope. So without that button working, you're not going to be able to program it or select these pre-programmed channels. I think that's about it. Let's see if we're hearing. Yeah. So it's receiving. So if you just want to listen to the NOAA weather stations and on those particular frequencies, it works okay. That's about it. And now I see why I put this on that shelf. 2 out of the 2 that I've tested had problems. Matter of fact, both of them had these membrane buttons, and all of them didn't work. So that's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 or 8 more radios in those boxes. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.